Hello, 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 and welcome back to Math is Easy, Step by Step. Thank you for joining me. I'd like to go over some of the congruency rules. All right, here we're going to talk about vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent. Right, this is a symbol for congruency. It means equal to in measurement, because whenever you measure, it's not quite exactly the same. Check out my prior videos. I explain that. Videos 1 through 8. This is video 9. Are going over specifically what are vertical angles. So I'm going to list all the vertical angles in a moment. But you remember every angle here in green, if you've been following me, is congruent to each other. Every angle here highlighted in yellow is congruent to each other. But specifically, vertical angles. What are vertical angles? Angle 1 and 4 are vertical angles. Angles 2 and 3 are vertical angles. Angles 5 and 8 are vertical angles. Angles 6 and 7 are vertical angles. If I'm going too fast, I apologize, but you can stop, pause, rewind this video. So again, angle 1 and 4. Angle 1 and 4. These are called vertical angles. Angles 5 and 6. No, I made a mistake. Angles 5 and 8. 2 and 3. 6 and 7. Oh dear, I made a mistake. But that's okay. Guess what? We can fix those mistakes. So it's angle 5 and 8. As you can see here, angle 5 and 8 are vertical angles, right? Angles 2 and 3, vertical angles. Angles 6 and 7. So again, 1, 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, 6, 7 are vertical angles. And I'll show you this here. Normally I would just stop and redo this video, but I think it's important to see that, listen, everybody makes mistakes. Everybody does it. And so I think it's important, anybody watching, to know when you're practicing with those worksheet videos, please don't be afraid to make mistakes. So as you can see here, again, angle 2 and angle 3, they're equal to each other, 125 vertical angles. 1 and 4, 55 degrees, vertical angles. 5 and 8, vertical angles, 55 degrees. 6 and 7, 125 degrees. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Don't be afraid of them mistakes now. Thank you for joining me.